What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Chrome update error code 3 or 0x80040154. So let's get right into this. If you're getting this error code, the easiest way to basically fix this error code is go to google.com/Chrome, or basically just Google download Chrome, and you will come to this specific page here. There's two ways to fix this. The first is to just re-download Chrome, and it's essentially going to reinstall it / update it. When it does that for you, it won't delete anything. It'll ask you actually for your information, like you want to make sure you want to keep everything, you want to keep the whatever save file history, etc., etc. Or you can literally do I want to update Chrome and then try from there directly as well. So basically you can just do it from here. I would recommend do the download Chrome version to, in a sense, reinstall it and then go from there. Maybe the I want to update might not work. It's usually the download component that does the job better. So yeah, that's basically it. That's all you guys need to do, and you guys should be good to go. So yeah, if you guys are a video, please thumbs up, go and channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Mo Tutorials out. Peace.